Like if you need to collaborate together with traditional workstations, so that's where your CPU, your graphics card is in that tower that you see there in the picture. You basically need to be in the same building most of the time. So the same local area, wide area network. It's not a very mobile or secure solution. You're only using those expensive machines a fraction of the time. They're heating up, they're making a lot of noise because the GPUs consume a lot of power. Then you need to cool your office again. It's not very green, not very sustainable, and it's very expensive in terms of maintenance, updates. There are reports about this from Gartner. Then this problem of collaboration has been known to be solved by virtualization. Traditional virtualization technology, VDI, virtual desktop infrastructure, has been around for a long time, more than 30 years. And it's also the field where most of the people at CloudLyse, the technical people, come from, including my co-founder, Jeffrey, who has been a high-end VDI consultant for 15 years before we started CloudLyse. But the problems with VDI are that it's very expensive to set up. You need to hire in these high-end consultants. It's very expensive hardware. You're only using that hardware during the business hours, which is, in fact, it's 160 hours in a month. It's only 20% of the time in a month. It's not a very scalable platform. It's single purpose, and you can only virtualize your organization. While in fact, there is a strong trend in this graphics collaboration problem that if you're working on a large, let's say, infrastructure project, you have maybe hundreds of different organizations and collaborators you need to work together with. But basically today, it's still everybody needs to take care of their own IT infrastructure, right? And then you have the big public cloud players. They are what we call horizontal clouds. So what we mean by that is that they combine many different use cases on the same hardware, and therefore they have made very plain vanilla choices in hardware, right? So they end up being very expensive for graphics kinds of GPUs, such as the kind of GPU we need here for graphics collaboration. And you still need to build your own platform on top. And it's not as performant either as a virtual workstation. So this problem of graphics collaboration is a problem that we see across many different verticals and sectors. It's not just in the construction and the engineering and architecture sector. It's also more and more in media and entertainment that's quickly becoming more and more digitized. It's something we see also across medical imaging, oil and gas, life sciences, etc. And all of these logos here on the slide are famous software vendors that actually have already made their softwares compatible with a platform from NVIDIA called NVIDIA Omniverse. And this is really where we see this problem of graphics collaboration moving towards to. And CloudLyse platform is ideally suited to host this Omniverse platform, as it creates a kind of multiverse out of a specific project where you could be working with, for example, Autodesk software, and I could be working with ESRI or Bentley software, and everything becomes compatible in this digital twin simulation of reality called Omniverse before we're going to build the actual project